properties and exceptions. 1. Which of the following statements is true about the genetic code? A. It is ambiguous, meaning a single codon can code for multiple amino acids. B. The first two nucleotides of a codon are essential for anticodon recognition, while the third nucleotide can vary. C. Methionine and tryptophan UGG are encoded by multiple codons. D. The genetic code is not universal and varies across species. E. The genetic code is overlapping, meaning codons can share nucleotides. Answer: B. The first two nucleotides of a codon are essential for anticodon recognition, while the third nucleotide can vary. Explanation: the genetic code is redundant, meaning multiple codons can code for the same amino acid. The Wobble hypothesis explains how the first two nucleotides are essential for anticodon recognition, while the third nucleotide can vary. Methionine and tryptophan are exceptions and are encoded by only one codon each. The genetic code is universal except in mitochondria and some viruses, and it is comma-less and non-overlapping. 2. Which of the following amino acids is encoded by only one codon in the standard genetic code? A. Methionine, B. Leucine, C. Serine, D. Tyrosine, E. Glutamine. A. Methionine. Explanation: methionine AUG is encoded by only one codon in the standard genetic code. Tryptophan UG is another exception with only one codon. The other amino acids are typically encoded by multiple codons. 3. Which of the following properties of the genetic code explains why mutations in the third nucleotide of a codon may not always result in a change in the amino acid sequence? A. Unambiguity. B. Degeneracy. C. Wobble hypothesis. D. Comma-less. E. Non-overlapping. Answer: C. Wobble hypothesis. Explanation: the Wobble hypothesis explains that the third nucleotide in a codon is less crucial for anticodon recognition, which allows for some variability in the third nucleotide. This variability in the third nucleotide can result in synonymous codons that code for the same amino acid, reducing the likelihood of a mutation affecting the amino acid sequence. Hannah 4. Which of the following is an exception to the universality of the genetic code? A. Mitochondrial DNA in humans. B. Human nuclear DNA. C. The codons for methionine and tryptophan. D. Codons for glutamine and serine. E. Codons that specify different amino acids for prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Answer: mitochondrial DNA in humans. Mitochondrial DNA in humans is an exception to the universality of the genetic code. Some codons in mitochondrial DNA specify different amino acids compared to the standard genetic code found in nuclear DNA. This is not the case in other organisms, where the genetic code is generally universal. 5. Which of the following characteristics of the genetic code ensures that the information is read continuously without interruption? A. Wobble hypothesis. B. C. Degeneracy. D. Non-overlapping. E. Universal. Answer: B. Comma-less. Explanation: the genetic code is comma-less, meaning there are no commas or gaps between codons in the coding sequence. This ensures that the sequence of codons is read continuously, providing a smooth and uninterrupted translation into the amino acid sequence. The other features, e.g. wobble, degeneracy, non-overlapping, describe other aspects of the genetic code, but do not address the continuous reading frame.